Question here, find the minors and cofactors of elements of the determinant. Determinant D is given, elements 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6 and 7 to 1 to obtain minors and cofactors. For this determinant, standard form of determinant elements from the corresponding rows and columns according to positions, we write it as A11, A12, A13, second row A21, A22, A23. Elements from third row A31, A32, A33. This determinant we have given in terms of values to find out their minors and cofactors. Minors are obtained by eliminating corresponding row and columns. Check here. Value for minor M11 is obtained by eliminating first row and first column. So I am eliminating first row and first column. Remaining entries are 4, 6, 2, 1. Writing in determinant. So M11 value is equal to 4, 6, 2, 1. Then the value for determinant of order 2 by 2, 4 into 1, 4 minus 2 into 6, 12. That is 4 minus 12 and difference is obtained minus of 8. Second value for minor, that is M12. Value for M12, it is obtained by eliminating first row and second column. Check here, remaining entries are 2, 6, 7 and 1. Write in determinant. So M12 is equal to determinant 2, 6, 7, 1 as a elements. Solving this determinant, we get 2 into 1, 2 minus 7 into 6, 42. That is 2 minus 42. Difference is minus of 40. Third value for minor M13, calculating by eliminating first row and third column. Remaining entries in the determinants are 2, 4, 7 and 2. Therefore, M13 is equal to determinant 2, 7 for 2 elements. Value for determinant 2 into 2, 4 minus of 7 into 4, 28. 4 minus 28. Difference is minus 24. Next, value for next row, minor first, eliminating second row and first column. You will get answer for minor M21. It is equal to remaining elements from the determinant 3, 5, 2, 1 expressed in 2 by 2 determinant. Value for determinant 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 5, 10. That is 3 minus 10. Difference is minus 7. Then continue with next value of minor, which is obtained by eliminating second row and second column. Position, second row, second column. So minor is M22. It is equal to determinant remaining elements 1, 5, 7, 1. Value of determinant 1 minus 35. Difference is minus of 34. Next, continue with next determinant minor. Minor for second row, third column, that is M23 is equal to eliminated second row, third column. Remaining elements are 1, 3, 7, and 2. This is determinant. Calculations of determinant value: 1 into 2, 2, minus 7 into 3, 21, 2 minus 21. Difference is minus of 19. Elements minors from second row complete. Now start from third row. Eliminating third row and first column, you will get answer of minor M31. M31 is equal to elements 3, 5, 4, 6 in determinant. Value of determinant: 3 into 6, 18, minus 4 into 5, 20. 18 minus 20, difference is minus 2. Next value for minor, eliminated same row, second column. Okay, check remaining entries for the minor M32 are 1, 5, 2, 6. Value for determinant: 1 into 6, 6, minus 2 into 5, 10. That is 6 minus 10. Difference is minus of 4. Now last minor is remaining. That is from third row and third column, eliminating remaining 4 elements in the determinant. So M33 is obtained, 1, 3, 2, 4 as a elements. Solving this determinant, we get 1 into 4, 4, minus 2 into 3, 6, 4 minus 6. Difference is minus of 2. These are the values of minors of given determinant. To find out cofactors of these elements, cofactors denoted by capital letter, either you can write as a capital letter A11 like this, otherwise capital C11 by your choice. I am writing here elements in terms of capital letters. First value for cofactor A11, but I repeat again, standard formula for cofactor of elements Aij, it is obtained by minus 1 raised to power n multiplied by value for minor Mij, corresponding minor answer Mij value. So first one, cofactor is A11. Its value is obtained minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 into minor M11. Check here, value for minor M11 is obtained minus 8. And this minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, sum is 2, power is even, that means answer is positive obtained. So 1 multiplied minus of 8, product is obtained minus 8. Hence, first cofactor value A11 is equal to minus of 8. Next, second minor A12 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into M12. 1 plus 2, that is 3, minus 1 cube, answer is getting minus 1, and answer of minor is minus 40. So it is equal to minus 1 multiplied minus 40, and product is minus minus plus, that is plus 40. Answer of cofactor A12. Minor M13, calculating next value for cofactor A13, it is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3 into M13. Sum of power, check here, number 1 plus 3, indices total is 4, minus 1 raised to 4, that is plus 1. And value for M13 calculated already here, minus 24. Therefore, A13 is 1 multiplied minus 24, product is minus 24. Next, Value for cofactor A21 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 into minor 2 1 M21. 2 plus 1 sum is 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 answer is minus 1 multiplied M21 value minus 7 product minus 1 into minus 7 that is plus 7. Hence, A21 value is 7. Next, minor M22 calculating its cofactor A22 formula minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into M22. Sum of values 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1 raised to power 4 you will get plus 1 and minor M22 answer is here minus 34. Therefore, 1 multiplied minus 34 product is minus 34 value of cofactor A22. Next cofactor A23 obtained by formula value substitute minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 into minor M23. Value for 2 plus 3 sum is 5 minus 1 raised to 5 into M23 value minus 19 minus 1 multiplied minus 19 product is plus 19. Hence A23 equal to 19. Next, value for cofactor A31 obtained from minor M31 formula minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 into M31. Sum 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 1 raised to power 4 that is plus 1 and value for M31 is minus 2. 1 multiplied minus 2 product is minus 2. Next, A32 cofactor. It is equal to minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 into M32. Sum 3 plus 2 that is 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 multiplied M32 answer minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 4 product is plus 4. Value for A32 is obtained plus 4. Now last cofactor A33. Its value minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 into M33. 3 plus 3, 6. Minus 1 raised to 6 is plus 1 multiplied value M33 minus 2. 1 multiplied minus 2 product is minus 2. Value for A33 is equal to minus 2. This is the method for finding minors and cofactors of the elements for determinant order 3 by 3.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.